Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport window won't roll down issues and discusses commonly documented situations where a power window may fail to operate normally. This problem can appear as a window that does not respond to the switch, moves intermittently, or stops part-way. The behavior can vary depending on model year, usage conditions, and maintenance history, and it may not affect every Ford EcoSport in the same way. In some cases, this issue may indicate wear within window operating components that are subject to repeated use over time. Electrical or electronic factors could be related, such as interruptions in power delivery or signal flow between the switch and the window system. Environmental exposure, including dust or moisture, may also act as a potential contributing factor. Certain versions may show differences based on production period or feature configuration, where such differences are verified. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally focus on inspection and verification rather than assumptions. Testing switch operation, checking electrical continuity, and confirming that window components move freely are typical diagnostic steps. Any repair or replacement should be based on confirmed findings and carried out by qualified professionals. In conclusion, a Ford EcoSport window that will not roll down can result from multiple contributing factors, and the exact cause can differ between vehicles. Proper diagnosis is essential, as conditions may vary by model year and usage. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.